Hello, this is Milton Keynes Hyundai's 2016 Hyundai Tucson 1.7 CRDI SE Nav. It's one of our demonstrator vehicles. It's covered just 5,700 miles from new, finished in this lovely ruby wine metallic red colour, and it has black cloth upholstery. It's a very high spec vehicle with sat-nav and a reversing camera. Let's show you around the vehicle and you can see what it's all about. So the SE Nav, it comes with these very smart silver alloy wheels, and they're all in absolutely superb condition with no scuffs or scrapes on them at all. Similar to the bodywork, which again is all as new with no marks at all on them. We've got reversing sensors built into the rear bumper to coordinate with the reversing camera, and the offside rear wheel there, no marks on it at all. Same with the bodywork all down the offside, all in lovely condition, and the offside front wheel as well. LED daytime running lights on the Tucson, and it has front fog lights as well. And we can see it's got the indicators here built into the door mirrors too. Okay, let's have a look inside, and we can see this very nice black cloth upholstery, very comfortable seats, supportive as well with adjustable head restraints. There's a centre armrest in there for the driver and passenger, very well laid out with a good specification which I'll run through with you in a moment. Plenty of space in the back of the car as well. We've got a tilt adjust for the rear seat backs. There's a drop down centre armrest there with the cup holders built in. We've got the adjustable head restraints and the all important Isofix child seat fixing points as well. There's venting here for the air conditioning for the rear seat passengers. Some mat pockets on the backs of the front seats there. Electric windows in the back and door bins at the bottom there for drinks bottles and what have you. Now in the boot of the Tucson, plenty of space in here, really nice size boot. Split folding rear seat as well should you need extra space. Retractable load cover so you can hide things away from prying eyes. We've got a 12 volt input socket over on the side there, and underneath the boot floor we've got the full size spare wheel along with all the tools that you'd expect to find in there as well. Okay, let's go around to the driver's side, and we can see that it has switches for the 4 electric windows, and we've got the central lock in here and the door mirrors and the automatic switch for the door mirrors too. And we've also got on the right hand side here the switch for the ESP traction control. This one is for the lane departure warning system, which is a very, very good safety device. Dashboard rear stat and the electric headlamp levelling. We've got variable intermittent delay for the wipers, and we've got automatic headlamps, dusk sensing headlamps. Very smart leather covered steering wheel here, trip computer selection buttons there, and the rest of the buttons are for the cruise control. And on the left hand side we've got the buttons for the stereo and also for the Bluetooth system for making and receiving hands-free calls. So if we get inside, and we can see that this car has done 5,754 miles at the moment, but bear in mind it is a demonstration vehicle, so that may increase slightly, so just inquire at the time to find out what the mileage is exactly. Over to the centre here, and we can see the sat-nav, which is a touchscreen system, and it also has the traffic monitoring channel to give you live updates whilst you're on the move. It also has a DAB and FM and AM radio, and also we can stream media through the stereo system, You can either do that wirelessly through Bluetooth, or you can plug in a MP3 or iPod via the auxiliary and USB inputs lower down. We've got full climate control on the car, and we can either sync the temperatures or we can set separate temperatures for the driver and the passenger. Heated front seats. We've got the 12 volt input sockets further down and the auxiliary and USB sockets that I mentioned before. Different steering modes between sport, normal and comfort to stiffen up the steering should you wish to do so. Downhill descent control, button for the stop and go system to save fuel and reduce emissions while sitting in traffic, button for the rear parking sensors, 6-speed manual gearbox with this nice leather gear knob. Got a couple of cup holders in the centre here. There's some extra storage underneath the centre armrest. Full-size glove compartments with all the books and manuals in there as well. So there we go. That's the Hyundai Tucson SE Nav. It's the 1.7 diesel with the two-wheel drive model, ex-demonstrator. Very, very smart car indeed. Please inquire via the website to arrange a test drive, and thanks for watching.